an honor for me to be here today to witness and be part of the celebrations, the 5th edition of Half Marathon being organized by Assam Rifles. If you look at the entire Northeast sector, one organization which has done tremendous work in the field of internal security, law and order, and above all, keeping the people together and being with them in the times of crisis, it is Assam Rifles. And a big round of applause for Assam Rifles. Organizing an event like this, it shows their involvement, dedication, love and affection for the people of this region. And this 5th edition has seen tremendous growth as compared to the 4th, which I happened to participate last year. So compliments to Director General Assam Rifle and his entire team for a wonderful event being organized. And I am sure we will carry forward next year with much higher participation. And it's also great to see people coming in from across India, across all organizations, from civil background, from military background, for paramilitaries, to be part of this. So my compliments and thank you very much. Jai Hind.
पूरा नाम सबका बोल रहा सबका ही बोल रहा Everybody, I am a diabetic patient. I am a diabetic patient. I run before. Announce it. Starting 2 years only. I got the. Second runners up, male is bib number. Thank you. Overall winner for the 10 kilometers event, male is bib number. Overall second runners. Overall first.